Here are 10 helpful facts for beginners who want to learn about business intelligence. 1. Definition. Business intelligence, or BI, refers to the process of collecting, analyzing, and presenting business data to support decision-making and strategic planning within an organization. 2. Data sources. BI relies on various data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, CRM systems, web analytics, social media, and more. Data integration is a critical aspect of BI to consolidate information from diverse sources. 3. Tools and technologies. There are many BI tools available, ranging from simple data visualization platforms, like Tableau and Power BI, to advanced enterprise solutions, like SAP Business Objects and IBM Cognos. 4. Data warehousing. A data warehouse is a centralized repository that stores integrated and historical data from various sources, facilitating more accessible data analysis and reporting. 5. Data mining and analysis. BI employs data mining techniques to discover patterns, trends, and insights hidden within the data. Standard analytical methods include OLAP, online analytical processing, and data modeling. 6. KPIs and dashboards. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are crucial metrics used to measure the success of business processes. Dashboards visually represent KPIs, making it easy for stakeholders to monitor performance at a glance. 7. Business intelligence versus business analytics. While both terms are related, business intelligence primarily focuses on reporting historical data and monitoring current performance, whereas business analytics involves predictive and prescriptive analysis to make data-driven decisions. 8. Data governance and security. BI involves handling sensitive business data, so ensuring data governance and security is essential to protect against data breaches and maintain compliance with regulations. 9. The role of business analysts. Business analysts play a key role in BI initiatives, acting as intermediaries between business users and IT teams to translate business requirements into actionable insights. 10. Continuous improvement. BI is not a one-time project but an ongoing process. Regularly revisiting and updating BI strategies, data models, and analytics helps organizations stay relevant and adapt to changing business needs. Stay curious, explore various BI tools, and practice analyzing data to become proficient in leveraging BI for making informed business decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, business intelligence is a vast field, and as a beginner, starting with the fundamentals and gradually building your knowledge and skills is essential. Thanks for watching.